Hello, my friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 from USB. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device or your computer. These videos for education purpose only. Please, before you doing this method, you need to back up your files. You need to save your important files like videos, pictures, and documents because after we finish, everything it will be deleted. Everything will be removed, including Google account and everything from this computer. So you need to save your Google username and passwords. Okay. Okay. So also you need to have Windows 10 inside the USB. Go to Microsoft.com and you can download it from there. But remember, after you finish with the installation, you need to buy the key in order to activate it. Okay, you can use Windows without the key, but it's not the same. Okay, so let's insert the USB here. I have Windows 8 in this computer. This is a PC HP P2. Okay, but I would like to have Windows 10. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it on, and after I turn it on, right away we're gonna press really fast escape. Okay, because we need to tell the computer to boot up from USB. Okay, really fast. Okay, you see we got this blue screen. So we need to go to F9 right there. You see? Boot menu. We need to go to the boot menu, F9 in the keyboard if you want, and then just press enter here. With the arrow keys here, you can go up or down. Okay, but we need to go to the boot menu. So press enter in the keyboard, and you are supposed to see here your the name of your USB. SanDisk Cruiser Glide. So that's my my USB. That's the name of it. If you don't see it, then it might be something wrong with the USB port or something. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the arrow key again here and select your USB, and then from there press enter in the keyboard. Okay. It might take a long time, but that's the way we do it. So now it's gonna stay here for maybe 10 minutes in this HP logo, and after that is gonna open another window. So I'm gonna pause my video for now. Okay, then we got this screen. From here we need to click next. Just make sure choose your language, time and current format. I'm here at USA, so just click next, then right here install now. We need to wait some time here. Then we got this screen, activate Windows. So we need to go here where it says I don't have a key, I don't have a productive key. Okay, I have a different versions of Windows 10 here. So I'm gonna choose Home 64 because I just want this computer for a basic use. So next, so 64, this one. Next. Then we got this screen, the license agreement. So just click I accept. And then next. From here we need to go to custom, okay, because we don't want to upgrade. We want to custom. Okay, and from here I have a lot of partitions, so I need to delete all of them. So click one. Like I said, remember to save your files, because from here everything will be removed. Okay, from here you have the chance to cancel, to close everything, and maybe recover your files. But if you pass this step, then it's gonna be all deleted. Okay, so I select the first one, delete. Okay, the second one, this one also delete. I just want to have one partition. I don't want too many partitions. So okay, I don't care if I remove the recovery because I don't want Windows 8, I want Windows 10. Okay, so as you see now I have one partition, and this hard drive has 1 GB. Okay, so now we go to it should say unallocated space, okay, and then next. And right there is installing Windows. Okay, so it will take, I don't know, maybe 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes, depend how fast your computer is. But I'm gonna pause my video and then I'll let you know later. So far, 15%. Okay. Okay, now the computer reboot after it finish 100%. But it's not finished yet. It's gonna take some time. I'm trying to make my video short, so that's why I need to pause it. It's taking long time here, but it's getting ready. Okay, it's booting up again. Okay, from here we need to, you need to choose your region. So USA, yes. From here, keyboard layout, USA. Skip, I'm gonna skip this. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip. From here, let's connect to a network. I don't have internet, so just right here, I don't have internet. From here, okay, there is more to discover when you connect to internet. Continue without interlimit. I don't want to connect it now. I want to connect it at the end. Who is going to use this computer? I want to type owner, because I don't know. Owner. Next. Password. I don't want password, but let's see. Let's see if I can go without. Yeah, no password. Right here depends of you, what would you like to share. Okay, so you pick whatever you want. Okay, so I choose my options and then accept. From here, do more across devices with activity. No. La Cortana help you getting things done. No, no. Hi. You are getting everything ready. We are getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Okay, so okay guys, it's finished. So that's the way you install Windows 10 using USB. Okay, right now it's not connected to the internet, but I want to connect it later. But that's the way you do it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. I hope it helped you, and please check my other videos, subscribe to my channel, give me like. Right now I don't have a job, so it will help me a lot. Thank you so much. Have a great day.